Hi, my name is Sunita. This time I use the R language using the Markdown. Markdown you can use clicking the new file new then Markdown. You can also use the click the plus sign and markdown. Markdown may basically use for the you can use the PDF documents. If you do HTML PDF word you can use, then give the presentation to anything. And shiny also is, that time I am using the from template, then flex export and then click OK. Then when you open this it show the like this. There is orientation. I change the they give the it's give the columns. I give the rows because I show you everything row wise. And also I have mentioned the social. It can also you can see in LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter also. So I can mention this because I am not using the Facebook and Twitter also, so only LinkedIn. So I give the LinkedIn and Minos. Next, this is the library. This is predefined both library flexboard and nets. So firstly, I run it. So then I upload the data. Click it. There is give the I have give the choose the file that it where you have saved the file. It you can open it. I have saved the in desktop, so this is my file. Click it, then open. It show you data str structure type data, where you can see that my data is like some are character types, some is numerical and some is integer types. Then I use the it also show the output in this way. Both side you can see it. Then view the data. As we know that it give the tabular type data. Is it like give the table type? Okay. Then I use the header. It show 5 rows and columns like this. Then summary. It give the summary of the data. Mean, medium, mean, quantile, maximum value. All these are shown. Then there is a data cleaning because it is necessary. Then you see that OSF, RNF and other also is a 00 have 0 values. So I firstly I have cleaned the data. Then dimension show how many rows and columns are there. That 1000 is row and 14 column are there. Then I partition the data is training and testing. So I use the set those dot sheet. As we know that it show it partition the data because set dot sheet I have used if I did not give this value, they output give the randomly. So I use the 1 2 3 4. Then partition the data. I have partition is a par is a variable. You can take anything variable. There is I have partition the data is 70% is training data or 30% is testing data. So if I run this and then I combine the rows data. Likewise they combine the data and also show the minimum value and medium value also. Then I use the multiple linear regression. As we know that where we use LM linear model is a function. So if I run this, that it show the coefficient and intercept value like this. Then if I show the summary after partition the data will be show like this. How much is air temperature is my dependent variable, and so it give the value of the. Now I use the predict the new value, that if I give the new value, this is my all new value. If I give rotation value and air temperature values, is a rotation speed is my dependent value and air temperature is my independent value. Because it depends on the, if air temperature is depend on the air temperature. If air temperature is good, then the rotation speed is automatically move different way. So if I run this, also I have used the visualization. I skip this. This is the visualization. So I use different type of visualization. You can see this is the air temperature. Rotation is a dependent value, and air temperature is my independent value. Always when we use that, firstly we give the independent value, then air dependent value. So it looks like this. Is a visualize. There is a little bit difference, both of four of them. Now I predict the new data. Okay, because I want to see that if I give the new data, the how can it speed and air temperature also. So it show the value of rotation speed and air temperature also. And then I predict the value. So it will give the temperature of air temperature and rotation value. If I predict the new values, then I use the confusion matrix. Sorry, then I use a diagnosis because I want to see the if my new data also visualize. This is my new data visualization, because linear regression, multiple linear regression also we use the line also. So is give the different type of is residual standard residual time, and some different value. Then last I have used the confusion matrix. As we know that confusion matrix is used for predicting. It predicts the actual value, that how much is value is right and wrong. So if we give the actual value, what is the actual value of my data. So this is the program which I use using the product. So that's it. So thank you.